Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is getting hot but blowing no air, you're not alone. This issue is quite common and typically occurs due to a blockage or a fault in the fan mechanism. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making the repair more complicated and costly. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a replacement fan component. First, ensure the hairdryer is unplugged and completely cool. Start by using your screwdriver to carefully remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Make sure to keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious, as there are delicate wires connected inside. With the casing open, you should see the fan mechanism. This is the component that likely needs attention. Inspect it closely for any debris or blockages that may be affecting airflow. If it looks dirty, use the soft cloth to clean it gently. If the fan itself is damaged or not spinning freely, you will need to remove it. To do this, locate the screws securing the fan assembly. Remove these screws carefully, ensuring you remember where each screw goes, as they may differ in size. Once the screws are out, you can gently disconnect any cables attached to the fan. Take your time here to avoid damaging any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After you've removed the faulty fan, take your replacement fan component and position it carefully in the same spot. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. Once everything is aligned, replace the screws to secure the fan in place. Now, it's time to reassemble the hairdryer. Carefully fit the casing back together, ensuring no wires are pinched. Replace the screws at the base of the handle. Once you've secured everything, plug in the hairdryer and turn it on. It should now blow air as intended. To prevent this problem from happening again, ensure you regularly clean the filter and avoid using the hairdryer in a dusty environment. It's also a good idea to store it in a clean, dry place. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.